Hello class 1, welcome to your value education class. Children, in the previous class we have completed the explanation part of chapter 2 of your book. As you all know that this is a value education book, Inspirations for Life, right? And we have completed chapter 1 of this book, and the name of the chapter was The Creator and Savior, chapter 1. Then we started with the chapter 2, Expression of Love, right? And we have completed the explanation part of the chapter. And what is the moral of the story? The moral from the story, we have learned that to express our love we do not need money, isn't it? Money is not essential to express our love, right? So, and our parents has given birth to us, and God has given us the best gift, that is our parents, isn't it? So it is our duty to love our parents, to respect them and to obey them, right? So this is what we have learned from this chapter. And in this chapter we learn a story also, that is love for parents. There was a girl named Ria who was a very good girl. On the birthday of her mother, she wanted to give her some gift. First of all, she decided to buy a bangle for her mother. Then she changed her plan because she wanted to give something better than this. And at the end, what happened, she gave a card, a handmade card. There it was written that, my dearest mom, I love you, you are the best mother in the world. When her mother saw the card, she was very happy, isn't it? Your parents become very happy when they find that you love them so much. So this is how you can express your love towards your parents, by doing something for them, right? They do not need any gift like bangle or like a purse, sari, etc. If you obey them, if you respect them, that is the biggest gift for them, right? So we should always love our parents, respect our parents, right? Isn't it? Not only parents, our grandparents, our brothers, our uncle, aunts, everyone. So if you want to live happily in a family, we must care for each other, we must love each other, right? Those are what we have learned in the chapter. Take care. So today what we will do, I will discuss the question answer of this chapter. Open your book at page number 11. The question answer part I will discuss, and then I will send, this is chapter 11. I'll discuss the question answer with you, and then I will send the question answer to you through Telegram. What you have to do, you have to write the name of the chapter, like chapter 1 above the margin. Then you have to write like this. Suppose today is 26th, so you have to write 26th 4 21 like this. Okay, you write the date here, then chapter number here, and here what I have not written, here the name of the chapter you have to write. এখানে চ্যাপ্টারের নাম লিখবে below the margin, ঠিক আছে? এখানটাতে চ্যাপ্টারের নাম লিখবে, then you will start writing the question answer, তারপর question answer লিখবে, and I will send the question answer through Telegram. Some of your parents have asked me to explain this thing in Bengali so that your parents can understand that thing properly. So this is for the parents. First বাচ্চারা চ্যাপ্টারের নাম লিখবে above the margin, যেরকম আমি দেখিয়েছি এখানে, ঠিক আছে? তারপরে এখানটাতে চ্যাপ্টারের নাম লিখবে, দেন এর নিচে লিখবে আনসার দ্য কোয়েশনস, বা যা যা আছে কোয়েশন আনসার। আমি শুধু আনসারগুলো লিখেছি, বাচ্চারা কোয়েশন লিখবে আর আনসার লিখবে, ঠিক আছে? বুঝতে পেরেছেন? আর তারপর ওদের নিচ হ্যান্ড রাইটিংয়ে লিখবেন, সো দ্যাট আই ক্যান চেক ইট প্রপারলি, ঠিক আছে? তো ভালো করে ওরা যেন লিখে পিকচারটা ভালো করে তুলে সেন্ড ইট ফর কারেকশনের জন্য পাঠাবেন, ঠিক আছে? তো আমি জাস্ট এক্সপ্লেন করে দিচ্ছি আজকে, আর এই ক্লাসটার পর আমি আইল সেন্ড ইউ দ্য কোয়েশন আনসার্স। লাইক হু হ্যাজ গিভেন বার্থ টু আস, হু হ্যাজ গিভেন বার্থ টু আস? our parents have given birth to us. আমি এখানে লিখেছি আনসারগুলো, কোয়েশনগুলো যেন ওরা লিখে, ঠিক আছে? আমি এখানে শুধু আনসারগুলো লিখেছি। তো সেম ওয়ে দে উইল রাইট দিস ইন দ্য সিডাব্লিউ কপিতে লিখে পরে কারেকশনের জন্য পাঠাবেন, ঠিক আছে? তো আমাদের তো কোয়েশন ইজ হু হ্যাজ গিভেন বার্থ টু আস? our parents, right? Now so is to live happily, what do we do happily? If you want to live happily, what should you do in your family? কি করতে হবে? We must love each other, then we must take care of each other, right? If you want to live happily. Then number 3, why didn't Ria buy the bangles. Ria wanted to buy bangles for her mother. Mar birthday te o bangle dite chaito, but she didn't buy the bangles. Why? Because she wanted to give something better than bangle. Okay, that's why she has not given, right? Then number 4, what did Ria write on the greeting card? Then the idea is still mathay, or that she will give one greeting card, right? And mother was so happy when she saw the greeting card, right? So what did Ria write on the greeting card? Greeting card ki likheche? Ria wrote, "My dearest mom, I love you. You are the best mother in the world." Done. Then come to exercise number B. Exercise number B, write yes or no. Here you have to write yes or no. Number 1, we must obey and respect our parents. We should obey what our parents says. We should respect them, and then what they say we have to obey them. So what you have to write yes or no beside the box. Box kora ache side ki we must respect and obey our parents. Yes. So you will write yes. Okay. Then we should not love our brothers and sisters. Is it correct? Not to love our brothers and sisters? We should love, isn't it? So এখানে লিখেছে we should not love, so this is wrong, so you will write no. Then come to number 3, Ria was a bad girl. Was she a bad girl? Ria bad girl chilo na, she was a good girl. So you are also for the third one you will also write no, like this. Yes, no, no. Okay, done. So this part we have done, and one extra question I have given. The extra question is, what is the moral of the story? What have you learned from the story? What is the moral? A chapter moral key. Moral is that to express love, money is not essential. This answer also I have given in the I'll send for you, and you have to learn this answer also. And children, learn the spellings properly, because in the exam you have to write the sentences correctly with the correct spellings. Otherwise your marks will be deducted. Understood? So write the spellings correctly, learn the spellings, and learn the question answer, and then you have to write the question answer neatly for sending it for correction. Okay, thank you.